lovers! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we dive deep into the world of beautiful homes. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the world of two-story house design and let's learn facade styles and interior layouts for two-story house. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This style of home offers a unique blend of practicality and aesthetic appeal, and in this video, we'll explore everything from its core meaning to design tips and inspiring ideas. So, what exactly is a two-story house design? Simply put, it's a home that features two distinct levels or floors. This configuration maximizes living space on a smaller footprint, making it a popular choice in urban areas or on smaller lots. The separation of living areas, often with bedrooms upstairs and common spaces downstairs, provides a sense of privacy and organization. Now, why might you choose a two-story design? There are several compelling reasons. Firstly, as I mentioned, it optimizes land use. If you have a limited lot size, building upwards allows you to have more square footage without sacrificing yard space. Secondly, it provides a natural division between public and private zones within the home. This separation can be particularly beneficial for families with children or those who frequently entertain guests. Thirdly, two-story homes often offer better views, especially if you have surrounding landscape or cityscapes. Finally, they can create striking architectural statements. Designing a two-story house to look good involves careful consideration of several factors. The flow between the two levels is crucial. A well-placed staircase not only connects the floors but can also serve as a focal point. Natural light is another key element. Large windows and strategically placed skylights can brighten both levels and create a sense of spaciousness. Interior design should complement the architectural style of the house. For example, a modern two-story home might feature clean lines, open floor plans, and minimalist decor, while a more traditional design might incorporate richer materials and more ornate details. Choosing the right facade style is essential for creating curb appeal. Here are some of the best facade styles for two-story houses. 1. Modern. Clean lines, flat roofs, large windows, and a focus on minimalist aesthetics. 2. Traditional. Symmetrical designs, pitched roofs, decorative details, and classic materials like brick or stone. 3. Craftsman. Low-pitched roofs, wide eaves, exposed rafters, and a focus on natural materials. 4. Farmhouse. Gabled roofs, large porches, board and batten siding, and a rustic charm. 5. Contemporary. A blend of modern and traditional elements, often featuring unique roof lines and mixed materials. Now, to inspire you more for your next project, let's dive into top 10 best inspiring two-story house design ideas. 1. Open concept living. Combining the kitchen, dining, and living areas on the ground floor for a spacious and social atmosphere. 2. Grand staircase. Creating a statement staircase as a focal point of the home. 3. Master suite retreat. Designing a luxurious master suite on the upper level with a private balcony or sitting area. 4. Outdoor living space. Extending the living space outdoors with a patio, deck, or balcony. 5. Multi-generational living. Creating separate living spaces on each floor for extended families. 6. Home office with a view. Placing a home office on the upper level to maximize natural light and views. 7. Playroom or media room. Dedicating a space on the upper level for entertainment or recreation. 8. Energy-efficient design. Incorporating sustainable features like solar panels, energy-efficient windows, and insulation. 9. Custom millwork. Adding architectural details like crown molding, wainscoting, and built-in shelving. 10. Bold color accents. Using pops of color to add personality and visual interest to the interior and exterior. Designing a two-story home is an exciting endeavor that allows you to create a space that perfectly suits your lifestyle and aesthetic preferences. By carefully considering factors like layout, natural light, interior design, and facade style, you can create a home that is both beautiful and functional. Remember to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more home design tips and inspiration. After this, we will provide you gallery of best bungalow house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.